Hi guys! Tutta. So it's my second day here in Delhi, and I'm currently in MT. It's called Majnu Tilla, where a lot of Tibetans stay in Delhi, whether that's to stay here and see Delhi, or stay a night or two and transfer to other destinations like Bangalore or Dharamsala. Oh, sorry. I already gave her some money, so that's why I said sorry. So at MT you can see a lot of shops outside, a lot of restaurants, and it's really hot, so you definitely need SPF, light clothes. You can find a lot of Tibetan things here. And cute modern things as well. There's also a lot of constructions going on here in MT, so it's really congested. And a lot of cute stray puppies and dogs. And I think that one is sick, so I'm gonna see what's going on. Okay, so I just found out that if you guys are interested in helping the stray dogs here in MT, there's a little like phone place called Mobile Care. It's by the Big Apple restaurant, and you can donate money here and they help feed the dogs or take the dogs to the veterinarian if they're sick or they're injured. So yeah, if you guys are ever here and are interested in helping out the stray dogs here and knowing how you can help, I think just a small donation is a nice gesture. So yeah. You can find the Mobile Care right next to the Big Apple restaurant. You just go inside and ask the owner if they'll accept any donation. And here's a video of a few dogs they've helped that were injured get hair. So yeah, if you're ever in MT, please do visit them.